All right, we've got an update in the trial of Elizabeth Holmes. So as you probably already know, Elizabeth Holmes is the former CEO of biotech startup Theranos, and she's on trial right now for wire fraud. Now on Friday, former lab director Dr. Adam Rosendorf, who worked for Theranos from 2013 until late 2014, took the stand to testify. He told jurors that he quit the company because he felt pressured to vouch for tests that he didn't have confidence in. His testimony revealed that after only a few months, he started to see inaccurate and unreliable tests from the Edison devices, and he added that both doctors and patients were increasingly raising concerns. So he emailed Holmes directly to flag these concerns, and that led to a one-on-one meeting between the two of them where he asked her to delay the Walgreens launch. But rather than delay the launch, Rosendorf testified that Holmes told them they could use conventional lab equipment instead of the Edison devices. Rosendorf also claimed that Theranos wasn't willing to perform proficiency testing, a form of validation required by law before labs can run tests on patient samples. That and other issues caused him to lose confidence in the company, saying, and I quote, "I came to believe that the company was more about PR and fundraising than patient care," end quote. Now, just weeks before the Walgreens launch, not only were none of the tests validated as required by law, but emails presented in court show that Elizabeth Holmes knew about the problem. Now, at some point, Theranos did start using the Edison devices, and the results were inconsistent. But rather than tell healthcare providers that Theranos was having problems with the tests, they would void results that were above or below accepted values. From Rosendorf's testimony and from emails presented in court, it's clear that Elizabeth Holmes wasn't only aware of the many testing problems, but she was also directing the response. Holmes faces a maximum sentence of 20 years in prison and a fine of $250,000 plus restitution for each count of fraud and conspiracy. But what do you think? Is Elizabeth Holmes guilty? What should her sentence be if she is? Drop me a comment down below to let me know. And also don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button because there's going to be lots more Theranos updates to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.